Did you move to a new address or get a new phone number? It's easy to update your account information in the Xapo app. From the home screen, tap on the account icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Now, scroll down and click on Personal Information. You can view or edit your email address, mobile number, and home address. You can also update your tax information and the preferred name you'd like to use in the app. Let's start by changing your email address. Enter your new email address and then click Continue. We'll send you an email to verify the new address. Once you click the verification link, your new email address will be saved to your account. Next, let's change your mobile number. Type in your new number. We'll send a verification code to your current phone number to make sure it's really you. Your new phone number has now been saved to your account. Now let's change your home address. You'll need to do this while you are at your new address. For your security, we'll verify your location in real time. Next, we'll ask you to verify your address with an official document like a bank statement or phone bill. It may take some time to verify and update your address. Check back in a few hours. If you've moved to a new country, you may need to update your tax information. Click on Tax Residency to get started. Tap the plus icon to add your new tax residency information. Select your country and enter your tax identification number. Tap on Continue to agree to the tax declaration. And that's it. Thanks for getting your financial information up to date. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Just get in touch. We are happy to answer any questions you have about updating your account information in the Xapo app.